here it is, just coming out of the box. I have a little neighbor boy. Okay, he's not so little, but he's in high school. And, oh, I didn't realize it had two tops. How come I didn't see that? Okay, it has two tops, two different colors. Like I said, this is a box unveiling video. Just like it says on the pictures on the instructions on Amazon, the wheels are squishy. Here's the back, the springs. Oh, that really does squish too. Huh. Okay, cool. Okay. It does. It'll be able to turn really well. Very cool. It's got these little hairpin clips to keep the top on the car. Here's where you put your batteries. And I bet it comes with a little screwdriver too. Here's your on-off switch. Okay, let's look at the rest of the stuff. Alrighty. I have never even ran a remote control car, but here, like I thought, here is the little screwdriver, and I would like to hope that it's magnetic, because those screws are pretty tiny. And here's your USB cord for recharging your battery, and here's your battery, and the battery I'm presuming for the car or the remote. Okay, go with the rest. I'm sure that's got something to do with the control. Okay, so there and there. Here's the on-off button. Here's the actual control, so you can just set it down. And here's where you put the battery. Open. Okay, open. Obviously don't know how to do this. Oh, you gotta push the button, I presume, huh? And it will open. Okay, well, I'll let him figure that one out. It's not my specialty. I just got it for him because he's been such a good kid, and I thought it would make him happy. He deserves it.